AirLive Smart Life IoT Introduction Video of App. AirLive Smart Life IoT Kit is equipped with P2P technology. Combined with the AirLive IoT app, you can check the status of your home anywhere and anytime. AirLive Smart Life Plus. The AirLive Smart Life Plus is the app with user-friendly interface to let you in full control of your smart home. It includes device control, scene creation, and the IFTTT macro rule, which creates many possibilities for your smart home operation. Making a room. To make a room, click on the plus under Rooms. Give the name a room by clicking the top bar. Click the icon to change it. Click the plus to add a device to the room. A device can only be placed in one room. Press Save. The device page name shows the room. Click the icon to edit the room. Click the name to view the device in the room. Making scene. Click the Scenes button. When you have multiple smart plugs, you can make a scene for them. Click the plus icon. Click the top bar to name your scene. Click the icon to change it. Click the plus icon to add a device to your scene. Click the smart plug and enable it to turn on and press Save. Now make a second scene, but to turn the smart plug off. Following the same setup as before. Turn scene on off. To enable the scene, just press the name of the scene. Macro Home Security Alarm. Select Macros in the bottom menu. The macro screen will appear with a red Home Security Alarm banner. This is the main alarm. Click the word trigger to change the settings, for example, the siren tone. Click the padlock icon to enable and disable the main alarm. When enabled, any sensor that is connected to the gateway will trigger the main alarm. Macro. Making macro. To make a macro, click the plus icon. Click the top bar to name your macro. Click the icon to change the icon. Click the plus icon to add your sensor to the macro. If when added, you can click the trigger to change the value. Click on the and plus icon to add your actuator to the macro. When added, you can change the action. Click Option to set the duration of your action. To receive a notification when the macro is triggered, you must enable the notification button. Press Save. To enable the macro, you must turn the button on. Macro making schedule. To make a schedule, click on the plus icon on the macros menu. Click the top bar to name your schedule. Click the icon to change the icon. Click the plus icon to add your schedule. The APP, select date from the menu. Click the arrow icon to select the days and time value. Click then and the plus icon to add your actuator. Select the action of your actuator. Press save. To activate your schedule, you must enable it. Settings. To change the settings of the gateway, click on Settings in the bottom right corner. To change the language, click on App Information and select the globe icon. To change the gateway password, click on Other Settings and select Change Password. To change the background, select Background and choose your image. Click on Option to enable the Show Siren function. Click the Log Out button and you're finished using the app. Thanks for watching.